affirmation, the acceptance of monotheism, the belief in one God, with the proof that if there was more than one creator for the universe, then when there was a discrepancy between those gods, those so-called multiple gods, then one of three things would happen. He says either one of them would want something to be in motion and the other would want that thing to cease to be in motion. So one of them would want the heavens and the earth or whatever it may be to be in motion. The other would want everything to cease in its motion. Or one would want to give life to something and the other would want to give death to something. So now they're at opposite poles of one another with regards to the administration of the heavens and the earth. So he says that if this were the case, then either one of them would overpower the other. Because you can't say they're both equals. If they were both equals, and as we said, then there would be chaos in the creation. It wouldn't go in this harmonious way that we see it going, in this structured, balanced way. Harmony, the spheres floating in their perfect form, as we had mentioned earlier. And our Creator says in the book, the Quran, that if you were to look to the heavens, you would not find any rift. You would not find any rift in the motion of the stars and the movement of the planets. And you won't find any problems or miscalculations or like this in this movement. But if there were two equal, so-called co-equal gods, then there would be some rift because each one would want to have power over the other. Or one would overpower the other. And if that was the case, then one could not be called God. The one who overpowered would have to be considered God. And if they both were too weak to cancel each other out, then they could neither be called God in any way. So the idea of this has been refuted by intellect, firstly. And then our Creator says in the Quran, just to establish this, he says in the Quran, had there been in the heavens and the earth gods besides Allah, then verily both the heavens and the earth would have been ruined. You would see ruin in the heavens and the earth. And also Allah says in the Quran, Allah did not beget any offspring. He does not have children. We'll talk about this